What a really cool way to help your dogs get out of the pool. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this ramp to help your dogs get in and out of the pool or on and off of your boat. It can actually be used for both. Or dock, yeah. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. With it, you are going to get the ramp. You are going to get a really nice storage bag to store it in when you're not using it. You get a patch kit, because you just never know. And then you get this really cool pump, which I didn't understand at first. And then we did this. I love how compact this pump is. We haven't even tested this yet. The pump is awesome. So this is the pump, and you can see it's got a little valve over there. Jamie's gonna put this together. So one is for air out, one is for air in. Does it say on there?
Yep, it does.
Oh, it does. Out and in. So you can use it to pump the air up and then to suck the air out of it so you can put it in the bag. We are going to go ahead and inflate this. Okay, this is way better than the hand pumps. I've used the hand pumps. This is way better. Slowly fill in with air. We have it all inflated. It came with these ropes that you can tie and attach it so it holds steady when your dog's trying to get in and out. Or your kids, actually, like whatever. You could totally use this.
Oh yeah.
It's solid. I love the color on it. It's so cute. Throw it in the pool.
See how it...
Yeah. So it kind of makes its own little ramp ladder. Oh, it does have the handles on the side, which is nice. And then when the dogs or whoever steps down on that, that'll kind of sink down a little bit, and they can use it as steps and walk right up out of the pool or the dock or the boat or the whatever. I guess we got to go get a dog and see if she'll test this out for us. Check that out, Kira. What do you think of that? Are you actually... You can step on it. I know you have your paw booty on, but you're allowed. So we tied it off so that it'll stay pretty stable right there for them to get in and out of. Now we just got to see who's going to test it. Oh, there we go. There you go. You figured it out. You're figuring it out, kind of. There, okay. All right, good girl. Good job. You want this squishy ball? It's right there. You can do it. I believe in you. She's like, no way, Mom. That was too far away. It needed to be closer. She's becoming less and less scared of it. She's figuring it out.
Yeah, man, it went to the other side now. Darn it.
Oh, she's still going for the squishy ball?
Uh-huh.
Well, this is good, though, because it lets her understand the balance of this. Oh, yeah, you could totally have stepped there. You almost did it. Yeah. Squishy ball saved. All right. Okay, so that was day one. We're going to come back at you with day two so you can see her actually using it. Let's use this ramp. Come on, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. Just like that. There you go. You got it. You got it. You did it. Oh, that was so cool. Look here, reward. You did it. All right, we're going to go to this ramp. Ready? We're going to go up it. You did it. That's crazy how stable that thing is for, too.
Oh, that's super easy.
Do you like that better than your plastic ramp? Because I think that's going to be your new ramp.
Yeah, I think that's more stable, too.
I think it is more stable. I think it's easier for her to get up on.
Right.
Because, like, when you put your feet here, this, as you guys can see, goes down and makes it... Heck, I could even use it to get out of here.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty cool. She's like, I'm wet. I'm hysterical and I'm wet. Here we goes. Well, in conclusion, this is going to get used a lot when it's warmer outside. This is the second time we've tried to film her getting out with it, and she did it. So as time goes on, this is definitely going to get a little bit easier for her for sure. And when it's warmer and they all want to get in the pool, it'll be great for all of them. This will be really great for Memphis. So we definitely approve of this. This is really cool.